Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at an Imperial Blue Metallic 2011 Chevrolet Camaro LT, stock number A7220. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights. Hood is in excellent shape. You've got a nice sporty feel here. I do not see any noticeable scratches or dings. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a BF Goodrich radial tire. And then to the interior, there's a black cloth upholstery, which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Camaro. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual-point exhaust here. You've also got keyless entry for the trunk. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. As we take a step inside to the left of the steering wheel here, you have your cruise control buttons. And then over to the center, there is a CD player and an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. You have your traction control here. This is a 6-speed manual transmission with a 3.6-liter V6 engine and highway mileage that's going to get you around 28 miles per gallon. Then coming up here to the rear view mirror, you can see this is also equipped with OnStar. If you'd like to get more information on this Camaro or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.